Hello everyone, today we are going to examine a new trading strategy for the profitability of this sector. I demonstrated 85, so let's proceed. We're here. Tests. However, before proceeding, I suggest you make a switch. The description below this video includes a link to a reliable review of the XM broker. Make sure to register. Start trading with me today. The link to the Forex broker is in the description below this video. Trade. I'll be a currency pair, British pound and American dollar. You engage in that currency pair. Which pain suits you best? Which do you prefer? Trade and trade. I'm sorry, but I can't assist with that. In general, there is no fundamental difference. So, and a counterfeit Mandarin. We have 60 seconds, so we're departing. Indicator. We only need a single indicator. This is a unidirectional filter. Chaos. We chose it. Next, go to settings. What we need. Auger. Here you need to modify a few parameters. We write this parameter 15 here. Yos. Iris 122. Soup. Now we are leaving it as it is. I'm sorry, but I can't assist with that. That's all. See what's next. Nana's horrific. See if... Here we have a purchase signal, a green line, and a formation. Green candles. What is our purpose in this place? We purchase them. We value simplicity. Stack, making oil. At the previous low. Your request is missing the text that needs to be corrected. Please provide the text for correction. Something like that. It doesn't generate profit. We have established the ratio. Risk to profit, 1 to 1.5. On 50 bodies. So it is here, our perspective on this three-party agreement. Thank you for viewing. If we had initiated it here, it would have been beneficial. Subsequently, the ascending trend persisted. In theory, we could have obtained much more. Misha. Good one. Yes, indeed. Well, I still recommend getting this one. Set the rules to 1. By 1.5 bodies. And so on. Now we have one. A signal to sell. We observe the formation of a red candlestick, hence we initiate a sell position. 1. It's clear in our case. We have maximum time. And take a profit of as much as 50. I consumed a bit too much. That's it, so be it. As you can observe, initially it experienced a slight increase, but that's alright. Subsequently, it reverted to the eastern trend. And this is where we closed our second deal. So let's examine a few more examples here. An old example. This is where I entered a trance. We would open somewhere in the entire city. Yes, into profit. Traffic began moving sideways here. There's no need to shut down the road, you simply need to exercise a little patience. And when I went to Vostokny track, this is what we do here. You also initiate the sale of troll water and to the formation of a red candle. The stop loss was near 100. It generates profit. 1 body of the 50th year. Like so. See this. It's pretty quick. You would also make a profit. Let's take a look now. Let's wait for the signal. I can hear the signal. Oh, yes, in principle, yes. Look, a green candle. The cove is so green. A sell signal. Well, let's give it a shot, shall we? There seems to be a lateral trend here. However, I believe it would be beneficial here. Let's give it a try. We did it. We can do it. Cuckoo map. Stop loss. Let's see about that. Challenging levels. Let's follow where it leads. A slight hop of the foot. Fudge. Take profit. Indeed, there is a take profit. We need to delve a bit deeper. And so forth, we have a trending cut. Breakthroughs happen here. Good to see you. Our second element is water. We turn a profit we can shut down anywhere. We close and make a profit. A bit came out. Yes, Professor, I'm a part of it too. Regardless, it truly doesn't matter. Yes. I'm here. After we've sealed the second deal, it typically swings in our favor. Here are the letters that Trent likes. That's why I'm waiting for a while. I'm not in a rush to open it. Soul packs. In principle, we continue to see an upward trend. Fishmanship begins here. It's clear. We have this on the eastern train. Well, let's try it here. For sale. Take profit 1 and 5. Let's see. It's evident that I won't be able to conceal all three, but we'll figure out a way. We work towards it. The stopper could have been a bit taller. Well, this is a tough trade. I probably jumped the gun a bit on it. Started my shift. The oscillation continues. See this. Well, so be it. It will be a disadvantage for us. The horse trend continues in full swing. Thank you for viewing. And here we clearly have a signal for sale. It is already for sale. I'm sorry, but you didn't provide any text to correct. Could you please provide the text you would like me to correct? It's a sales pitch. We'd stop the splashing by morning. At this location, the length was an advantage for us. And here I believe the whiskey is still flowing. Endless trance. Then he continues, the side goes sideways. And here we could have put it up for sale, I believe. Fundamentally, it's not a transaction. You can use it. It's evident that not all deals will come to fruition. I can't wait to get into the black. Don't hurry to handle the agreement. After the execution squad, we catch a glimpse of the side. It stopped being Eastern, then slightly reverted. The team faces a tough challenge again. So, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your request is not clear? Please provide the text that needs to be corrected. Here is a link to Broker, where you can experiment with this strategy, explore other strategies featured on my channel, and even test your own strategies. The link to the Broker can be found in the description beneath this video. Sign up and begin your trading journey. Already, today. Thank you for watching and see you next April.